Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the leaked Manchester United home shirt for the 24-25 season. This shirt was purchased from a new seller, ssdays.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. Now I have seen already feedback on this shirt, just around this badge, saying that this is not correct. But I kind of hope it is, because I think it looks quite smart actually. So the shirt itself comes in a standard Adidas bag. On the flip side, does have the standard health warnings. So I said this is the leaked Manchester United home shirt for 24-25. It has got a new sponsor of Snapdragon. The seller, ssdays.com. Details for them will be in the description of the video. And yeah, they say first one I've seen from them, and it took about 15 days to arrive, which again, absolutely spot on. Cannot fault that at all. And I'm glad it has got the new Adidas badge on there as well, or manufacturer. So I'm assuming with the sleeve sponsors, they'll be the same, which is each one of it is embroidered in individually, unlike last year where they were done on like that patch. So what we'll do is we'll get this bag open and we'll have a look at the leaked Manchester United home shirt from 24-25 season from ssdays.com. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt, and I've got to say actually, from just looking at it like this, I really like this design. Man United shirts can be quite similar, but there's something about this one that looks absolutely outstanding. So I really do hope, as a leaked shirt, this is what they run with, or something very similar. So the Adidas stripes, each one is individually embroidered in. You can see the stitching lines on there. We've got the Premier League patch, which has been heat pressed on, and the No Room for Racism as well. Heat pressed on. That's a little bit on the wonk, but nothing too bad. Once you've got that, I don't think you'll ever notice. Adidas kit manufacturer embroidered into the material. Likewise, the Manchester United badge has been embroidered on. That looks lovely. Not a Manchester United fan, but I really like that badge. Snapdragon been heat pressed on. That's gone on nicely. Nice and smooth. We have a sleeve sponsor. A little bit of see-through there. Not sure if they're sticking with this sleeve sponsor or not, but it's on the shirt anyway. It is an arrow ready, and I'm just looking. So the black has got the ventilation in it. I wondered if this was like the Arsenal shirt, where it just had that purple band on it. But no, this one definitely has got the ventilation. You can definitely see through that. Just check this side as well. Yeah, it's got the ventilation in it as well. This is very nice. Very nice indeed. As always, I have kept the back plain. There's some sort of print design in the shirt. Does anybody know what that is? If you do, please drop a comment below. It might just be a pattern. It could be something else, I don't know. An arrow. That air pockets, oh no, that's just a hard bit. That's it. I think that's a form of ventilation there as well, actually. And at the bottom, more ventilation. Again, it's got like a mesh feel there. The shirt is quite silky, but this is definitely a meshy sort of feel down the bottom here. The joins all look good. A little bit of mess up on the stitching there, but in all honesty, nobody will really notice that. Back of the collar line, just standard, looking tidy. Very nice indeed. I do like this shirt. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now. Joined by the collar, stitching looks good. A little bit of excess cotton there, but nothing to really worry about. And that stitching looks tidy. Manchester United crest, said it was embroidered in. You can see where the joins are, but that's really good. And as Adidas goes, that's a really tidy one actually. Sponsor, been put on lovely. No creases, nothing. And you can see where our ventilation falls down the side. Line looking good. There's a bit of excess cotton bunched up there, but nothing to really worry about at all. Stitching looks tidy all the way around. There's a couple of creases from where the shirt's been in the bag, but overall, this is a lovely shirt. And I can see Manchester United fans hopefully being happy with this one. Get the final part of the inside. We've got the Adidas XL branding with the slim fit. Generic tags, as you always get on these shirts. Oh, and actually look up here, we've got the QR code and a product code of some sort. At the bottom we have the washing instructions. Recommendation is when you wash these shirts, flip them inside out and just put on a hand wash setting. When you dry, let it hang dry. Don't put it in a tumble dryer or anything, otherwise your prints will start to peel off. What was that? Didn't notice a joint. Oh, it's just there. Just pushing in on the material, you cannot see through it at all. It shows that the material is a nice thickness. But yeah, it's looking lovely. Gotta say, definitely my favourite Manchester United shirt for a while, this one. And there we have it, the Manchester United home shirt for the 24-25 season. This is a leaked home shirt, so it's not been confirmed yet, but I've got to say, I really hope they do run with this because the badge looks so nice. I do like the Adidas. Actually, Snapdragon, bit different from TeamViewer, but it's quite subtle. And with the pattern and the material, I think this is a really winning shirt. I said it is a leaked one, but I do hope they run with it. This shirt was purchased from ssdays.com. It's a new seller. I've not used them before. It's the first time, so it's the first shirt I've looked at from them. Delivery time's about 15 days, which is standard really for the good sellers out there, so I can't fault that at all. My views, the shirt looks absolutely outstanding. It really does. I've said it throughout the video, but I do really like it. Maybe if that was a bit gold, just to match that, I don't know. Maybe stick with the white because obviously the sponsor. I guess I'm just trying to pick holes in it, but really I can't find anything that I dislike about this shirt. It is such a nice one. I will leave the link to the seller in the description of this video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. We do this sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And Manchester United fans, let me know what you think to it. I'm not a United fan, but I do like the design of this one, so I'd be interested to know what the United fans think to it. So, as I said, thank you very much for watching. ssdays.com, details in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.